joining me once again on the vegan season, where it's the season to be vegan. I'm so excited to be back with my second video for you. So let's get right into it. Today I'll be making a pumpkin patch cheesecake. Yep, you heard it right. A pumpkin patch cheesecake. It's very easy, very simple, and also very vegan. So the ingredients that I will be using for this pumpkin patch cheesecake are, I'm using an already made pie crust. If you want to make your own, that's fine. Vegan cream cheese, soft tofu, coconut sugar, canned pumpkin. This is gluten-free flour that I'm using. Sea salt, cinnamon, ginger powder, nutmeg, and baking soda. So all of these ingredients, except the pie crust, will be added to the blender, and we're going to blend it up to make the filling. Okay, so before we start, we want to make sure we turn our oven on to 350 degrees. So I'm setting my oven to 350 degrees. And what we want to do, we want to add the tofu first. So we're going to use 12 ounces of tofu. This is a 15-ounce pack. So I'm going to just swing it, just measure it to 12 ounces of tofu. And I'm not going to squeeze it or drain it or anything. And I'm just going to dump it into the blender. Then from there, I'm going to take the cream cheese. I'm going to use all of the cream cheese. Pour the cream cheese, everything comes out. Nice. Then to that, I'm going to add the pumpkin. And it's all going to come together really nicely once we get it blended and added to the pie crust. Okay. Then we want to add our spices. We have, again, the salt, cinnamon powder, ginger, nutmeg, and baking soda. So just pour that in there. We have our gluten-free flour once again. Dump that in there. And I'm using coconut sugar. Dump that in there. And we want to blend. Turn it on high. Okay, so as we're trying to blend, you'll see that it's going to take a little while for all the ingredients to be incorporated together because the filling is thick. So what we want to do is just So what we want to do is try to get it on high. Then we just mix the ingredients in. You know, mix it in yourself. And then blend it again until it's to your liking. So we're going to turn it back on. Put it on high. So now we want to add our filling into the pie crust mixture. Now, if you see that you have more filling left over, you can always add it to another pie crust. So we'll see what I have going on right now. It smells so good. This looks so good. It smells good. You just want to smooth it down. And I have extra, so what I think I'm going to do is put some of the filling into another pie crust mixture, into another pie crust. It may not be as much as this, but you know, we can make it work. So if I have enough filling for 2 pie crusts or 1 large pie crust. Right now, we want to put it in the oven for 50 minutes. So I'm going to bake it for 50 minutes at 350 degrees. Hi, I just took the pumpkin cheesecake out of the oven after 50 minutes. So this is what it looks like. It smells amazing. And I can't wait for you to try this recipe so you can smell it. And what's even better is that you can taste it. It smells so good. So from here, we're gonna let it cool for half an hour. And then we're going to put it in the fridge for 6 hours. So I know that's a while, but it's worth the wait. So leave it out for half an hour, let it cool off. And then I'm going to put it in the fridge for 6 hours. Okay, so it's 6 hours later, and this is what our pumpkin pie cheesecake looks like. It looks good. It smells even better than it looks. So now we're going to cut into it. So we can see how it holds up. Holding up pretty well, a nice decent sized piece. Oh, it's holding up well. And this is what we have. It looks great. Consistency on the inside looks well. It's holding up very nicely. So this is what we have. So once again, thank you so much for joining me on the vegan season. I hope you enjoyed this pumpkin pie cheesecake recipe. For the full recipe, you can visit theveganseason.com. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, let's get to 500 subscribers so I can do a face reveal. So, once again, enjoy. Bye.